First of all, I have my coconut and water from my coconut. If you don't have the water or it's not that much, you can use plain water and use that to blend your coconut. After blending, you can use it with the fiber in it, or you can strain it and use the liquid only. I like the fiber in it, so I'm going to use this to do my coconut cake. Now for this recipe, we are going to use 2 cups of oil. Here I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use melted butter or melted margarine. I'm adding in 1 cup of sugar and I'm beating it just a little. Now I have 6 eggs. I've separated the egg white from the yolks, and I'm using only the yolks now. So here I'm putting in 6 egg yolks. Set the egg white aside, it will be used later. I have 4 cups of sifted soft flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of my coconut milk, the one I just blended. First add in your flour, and then your coconut milk. Do this gradually until your cake batter is complete. Take your time with this process. Always start with flour and always end with flour. Here you can start adding any kind of flavors of your choice. I forgot to show you, I had a powdered butter flavor mixed with my flour, so I didn't need any kind of essence. So you can add vanilla essence, coconut essence, a tablespoon of any of them can help the cake batter smell really good. Now we are moving on to my egg white. I'm going to beat the egg white. I'm going to beat it for quite a long time, but I'm going to make it turn into a very, very white foam. Check as you move along so it can form soft peaks without falling, but you don't want to overbeat it. Like this. Okay, something like this will be good. Now I'm adding my egg white to my cake batter. I'm folding it in or mixing it in, whichever way you want to say it. Do this in batches. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these. I have a lot of recipes on my channel you can check out. When it's done, you can bake in 8-inch tins or 6-inch tins, or you can also bake it in cupcakes. Here I am baking it in 8-inch tins. I placed it in a 170-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. Again, every oven is different, so make sure you check it from time to time. And if it comes out clean after you put a toothpick in the middle, it means it's done. This is my final cake. I'm going to cut it up so that you see the texture of it and how nice it really looks. Leave it to cool before you do this. This is our final coconut cake. Tasted so good. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.